Hi friends, we are here with one more design of back for blouse. We are going to make a designer blouse with keyhole back opening. As per the sketch, we are going to cut back, and back is keyhole and boat neck. Now we'll see how to cut back neck with lining firmer. We have already cut this as per the measurement. If you want to see how to cut back neck, you can see our previous videos. In this video you are going to learn how to make designer back cutting and stitching. As this is going to be open from back, we cut this. Now your cutting of back is done. As per the sketch, you can see we have cut this in two parts. Our cutting part is done. Now we'll proceed for our next step, stitching. Let's go. Now we'll attach the lining with main fabric. We are turning lining as we are covering this. We are covering lining overall. At bottom we are not adding any extra stripe as main fabric is little bit harder as this is brocade fabric. So directly we turn this lining inside and cover the main fabric this way. Now we are stitching dart 3.5 inch from the distance of 3.5. Lengthwise also it is 3.5. Same way in both the part of the back side. Now we'll attach the coat piping to the neckline. For that you take the right foot, single foot, you attach the single foot, and now make it ready your coat piping. We are folding the other side of coat piping so that we can easily attach it to the neck without fusing, and it will look finished also from inside. When you attach this type of coat piping without fusing, you will not feel hard at neckline. It gives the feeling of soft piping. You can see this cord piping is ready. Now we have to attach it to my main blouse neckline. We start from keyhole. Turn it inside and start stitching. Now remove little bit cord piping so that your neckline will be perfectly set without any wrinkle. You can see the finishing of neckline. Same way, do it to next part also. Now attach cord piping to the neckline also. Now you fold it at the corner and turn it inside so that you can see the perfect finishing point at the corner. Now you have to attach eye stripe and hook stripe at back. Now we will attach hook stripe at this part. This is eye stripe. With the main fabric you have to do fold it lengthwise, also you have to fold it double. Now we have to attach lace to the neckline and keyhole, as we are taking contrast lace as per the sari color, which will definitely add the beauty to the blouse back. Same way you have to attach the lace to the other part also. Your back is ready. Now we'll see how it looks. Your neckline is ready. You can see the finishing of it. Your designer bag with coat neck and keyhole is ready. You can easily make this in 5 minutes. If you like this, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends. Thank you.